Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display of the Mi Note 10 Lite versus the Realme X phone. So both the phones are having the same kind of super AMOLED panels, and the only difference is that the Mi Note 10 Lite has a curved display, and there is a notch on the top as well. So whereas the Realme X has the full screen display and the pop-up camera. So I'll be comparing the screen qualities between the both the phones in terms of the brightness levels and viewing angles and everything. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your friends if they are planning to buy the Redmi Note 10 Lite or any other smartphone. So if you feel my videos are very useful, and also do like and use the Redmi Note 9 as well. So I'll be doing plenty of videos on the Redmi Note 9 as well very soon. So don't forget to check the playlist for the Mi Note 10 Lite and Redmi Note 9, and plenty of wallpaper playlist, PUBG Battlefront playlist. So definitely try to check the links in description. That will be worth checking the links in description. And let's get started with the display comparison. In terms of the screen size, the Realme X is slightly bigger than the Mi Note 10 Lite in terms of the display size. And both the phones are using same kind of super AMOLED panel, so there is nothing change. Let me play the same video in both the phones. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the phones with the full brightness levels. So as I said, the Realme X looks pretty good in terms of watching full screen videos, because you do not get any punch hole or notch cutouts. But in Mi Note 10 Lite, you do get this kind of curved edges, so which is another advantage. So both are having advantage and disadvantage. But in terms of the display quality, so both the phones are pretty good, and color saturation levels is very good in terms of both the phones. So there is not much difference between both the phones. So do comment below which display you felt good. So let me try to change the viewing angles as well, how it looks. So overall, the watching videos, some people like the curved edges, some people like the full screen phones. So everyone has their own opinion which phone is the best. But overall, in terms of the color saturation and contrast levels, so both the phones are having best output. So there is no doubt at all. So the Realme X is from last year mid-range mobile phone, which is my favorite of all time mobile phone even till now. So very soon I'll be doing the in-depth battery backup test as well on the Mi Note 10 Lite, which has a 5200 mAh of capacity in the Mi Note 10 Lite. So that is the main reason why I purchased this mobile phone as well. So that's it for this video. Sorry, let me try to show you the brightness level, so which I'll be doing in every brightness display comparison test, which phone has more brightness. So right now you can see the Mi Note 10 Lite is slightly more brighter. Let me try to decrease to 5. And in 5, the Mi Note 10 Lite is bright, and 0 also. Both the phones are very good at low brightness levels. So that's it for this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.